Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things money, saving, and smart financial decisions. Today we're diving into a popular mobile banking app that's been making waves in the fintech world. It's called Current. If you've ever wondered whether Current is the right app for you to meet your banking needs, or if you're looking for a way to build credit, save money, or even get interest-free payday advances, you might be in the right place.
We're in the right place, right?
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Current offers, its pros and cons, and whether it's a good fit for your financial goals. So let's get started. So what exactly is Current? Current is a mobile banking app that offers a range of features designed to make managing your money much easier.
Easy like Sunday morning.
It's definitely not your traditional bank. It's a fintech company that partners with something called Choice Financial Group, which means your deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000.
So happy to hear that.
I figured out how to get the safety and security piece out of the way on Current because we did not find any safety concerns through our research. The app appears to be a very safe place to handle your money. Now, Current offers 4 main features. I'm just going to talk a little bit briefly about those 4 main features.
Beautiful features.
The first feature is the spend account, which works like a checking account, but comes with a secured credit card to help you build credit. You can use your card virtually anywhere, even ATMs, and you earn 1 point for every dollar spent at any grocery store or restaurant. Then you can redeem them for cash back, which is always nice. I'll talk more about the spend account shortly. Then there's a save feature that lets you create up to 3 savings pods to organize your savings goals. Not sure what a savings pod is? A savings pod is a place to set aside your extra cash and help you reach your savings goals. You can create up to 3 pods and start saving. Then you can grow your money with an annual boost rate of up to 4%. You can automate your savings with roundups as well. Roundups make savings easy and automatic. You just swipe your debit card and they'll round up your purchase to the nearest dollar and deposit right into your chosen savings pod. Next is an invest feature for trading cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell crypto without trading fees, so you can make the most of every dollar you put in. You can pick from dozens of popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, or you can explore some lesser known favorites that I'll have on the screen. All you have to do is add money, pick a coin, and select the amount, and click buy. That's pretty much it. The last feature is an advanced feature that gives you interest-free payday advances up to $750. You can get instant access to your paycheck in advance for a fee, or you can get it within 3 business days for free. There are no credit checks required to qualify for paycheck advance, and they don't report your withdrawals or your repayments. So that sounds pretty interesting, I'm sure.
Interesting, very interesting.
Let's break it down just a little bit further to see if it's worth your time. So first, let's talk about how Current works. When you sign up, you'll get access to their spend account, which is like a checking account, but with a slight twist. Instead of a debit card, you'll get a secured credit card called the Build Card. And so here's how that works. The money in your Current account acts as your spending limit for the Build Card. As you spend, money is automatically moved from your account to reserve funds to pay off the card. You can set up auto pay to ensure your card is paid off every month, which is super important because Current reports your on-time payments to TransUnion, which is great for building or even repairing your credit.
Credit where credit is due.
Credit where credit is due.
But that's not all. If you set up direct deposit, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early. Plus, if you deposit at least $500 a month, you can unlock Overdrive, which is a fee-free overdraft feature that lets you overdraft up to $200. Not something I recommend, but it is nice to have that little safety feature there. Now, let's go back and talk about savings. Current's Save feature lets you create up to 3 savings pods, as we did mention. If you have qualifying direct deposits, you can earn up to 4% annual bonus on balances up to $2,000 per pod. Now, that's not bad, but keep in mind, the earning potential is capped at $6,000 total, so it's not ideal for someone with a large savings goal. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Current. First, the pros.
Good things. Good things.
First is the safe credit building. The build card reports to TransUnion, so if you pay on time, it can help boost your credit score, which is definitely a nice little feature. Second pro is the checking account features. You get early paycheck access, cashback rewards, and even fee-free overdraft with Overdrive. Third, there is the interest-free payday advances. You can get up to $750 of your paycheck early without paying interest. And fourth, there are no hidden fees. Current doesn't charge annual fees or interest on the build card or paycheck advance, which is definitely nice. When it comes to the cons,
Bad. It was a bad thing.
Bad thing?
there is the low savings earnings. While that 4% bonus sounds pretty nice, it's capped at $2,000 per pod, so your max annual earnings are limited to $240. Secondly, there's the high direct deposit requirement. You need at least $500 in monthly direct deposits to access core features like Overdrive and that 4% savings bonus that we mentioned. And then third and finally, it is an app-only product. There are no physical branches or online banking. Everything is done through the app, which is definitely a con if that's not something you want to fully rely on. So while Current has some great features, it's definitely not perfect. It really depends on your financial needs and your financial goals.
You need to achieve your goal.
So with that said, who is Current best for? If you're someone who's looking to build or even just repair your credit, Current's build card is a solid option. It's also great if you want early access to your paycheck or you need a fee-free overdraft feature. Those are all great things. However, if you're looking for a high-yield savings account or prefer traditional banking with physical branches, Current might not be the best for you. It's really designed for people who are comfortable managing their finances entirely through a mobile app.
Important that you understand your limitations.
All right, guys, thanks so much. That is the lowdown on Current. It is a legit app with some unique features, especially for credit building and early paycheck access. But like any financial tool, it's important to weigh the pros and cons that we've already mentioned to see if it's going to align with your goals. They did receive an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, and I'll share their ratings from Apple and Google right now so you can see how other viewers or how other users are viewing and using the app and whether they appreciate it or maybe it's not, living up to the expectations they may have had.
That's what this review says.
If you've tried Current though, please let me know in the comments below what your experience has been like. If you have any further questions, be sure to drop those in the comments as well. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video.
You're my subscriber.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay modest with your wallet, but ambitious with your goals. See you in the next video.